This is 110% the right program to join. I'd strongly recommend doing seven-figure agency. My name is Josh Blicker. I own the Connective Media Group. We help ABA therapy companies and behavioral health companies profitably get more patients into their company, as well as help them drive more staff through digital marketing. We've had really solid growth since we started Seven-Figure Agency. When we started here, we had 5 clients, and now we have 38 clients. And also we were able to, we were able to over 5x our revenue since we joined. So before joining Seven Figures, acquiring, servicing, and delivering clients looked very different from what we do now. Before we used a lot of white labeling agencies and different things, and I was manually, executing everything, and just overseeing everything in terms of the execution. And now we have a really clear process that our team follows. And also because of all the growth with the client acquisition, we were able to invest in people that work for us full time. And it's much more effective that way. In terms of client acquisition, we've just been able to get a plethora of inbound client requests without even having to do that much cold outreach in the last several months, just because we followed the Josh Nelson approach to developing authority within our niche. The growth that we've had from the agency has positively impacted my wife and my life, simply because it allowed me to basically quit my job after 6 months of joining the program. And it's also given me more free time, or more, not free time, but more flexibility to spend more time with our toddler. In the next 6 to 12 months, I see our agency doubling in terms of client size and revenues, as well as becoming more autonomous and, having very clear SOPs and just really, having clear leadership within the team, so that, and the SOPs and systems will allow the team to really grow themselves and have really excellent careers within our company, but more importantly, deliver outstanding results at an even greater scale to really help our clients help their patients. If you're on the fence about joining Seven-Figure Agency, I'd recommend thinking about how committed you are to actually growing a real business, and also the type of business that you want to build. If the type of business you want to build is a niche-focused agency that positively impacts your clients and helps them drive profitable outcomes, and also helps you generate life-changing opportunities and income for yourself and your family, I'd strongly recommend doing Seven-Figure Agency. It's the best community. You can meet people that are literally in hundreds of different niches who've done exactly what you're looking to do in a different niche, maybe even in your own niche, and you can get real advice that's actually working. They have hundreds of hours of trainings. I send it to my team to watch if they ever have a question on stuff. And also, you can literally talk to people and be like, hey, I'm struggling with this thing. And you'll get an answer in the Facebook group that's actually real. When I joined, I was skeptical. And after 1 month, I was like, oh my gosh, this is the best. And I met several coaches that were exceptionally helpful, and it completely was a game changer. 10 out of 10 recommend doing it. Get going, sign up.